hallway wide. Mm-hmm. Very spacious. So funny how they think it's the bow ties, but nobody wearing one. But no one's wearing a bow tie. You notice that? Like their uniforms, they tieless.
We shall see.
Ring doorbell.
No. Man, that's what he was like.
Ain't no problem with it. Oh, they just open up the curtains. Okay. Oh, all right. Yeah. Oh, we got a view of the Sphere.
Okay.
Oh.
So.
Oh my Lord. Oh, geez. This is gorgeous.
Oh man, we're gonna be watching this Sphere all night. Oh yes. This is beautiful. I mean, this is pretty. You can sit across there and take some great pictures. You can sit here and take some great pictures.
Mm-hmm.
The bar. Oh, that's something good shot.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. And these, floor to ceiling windows.
Oh my God, yes, this is beautiful. Oh, and we got a pool view too. Okay, Joe. Okay, hooked it up.
Joe did it. He did his thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this suite is better than
Yeah. This suite is nice.
upgrades.
Straight up panoramic views. At night, this view gonna be insane.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, and a robe for me. I love it.
And the room for my baby.
Oh, no, little closet. Oh, another robe. Robe for you. Oh, wow. This is nice. It really is.
This is like at home.
Oh, is that what we need? You're so silly. Yeah. Loving this. Yeah, it's feel very homey with the whole separation. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, because it was a bathroom when we first came in. Well, I love this.
Yeah. Oh man. Look at us cocktails. It's just like our
We're gonna be in this one hotel the whole time. Look at this mirror. Look at
Okay.
this.
See, they get it right.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, we got 2 showers, baby.
Oh, it's a shower here too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's nice too.
Oh, damn. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We at the crib. We straight up at the crib. This matches our at home. And, oh, yeah. Yeah, we at the crib. Though. Oh, I like this. Oh, yeah. So when we can't get the drinks open up for us.
Yep. No, that wasn't in there. That
This
wasn't
was
in
here.
there. That was not here.
Yes, it was.
That was not.
I promise to God. I promise to God.
That was not there.
It was.